That college never sleeps, right? Because nobody will ever speak the full word. Institute becomes Insti. It's pretty weird sometimes because you're always around this male energy, and I mean, girls like to interact with girls, definitely.
Hello everyone, my name is Payal Krishnan and today I'm here with Jigyasa Chauhan. Hi Jigyasa.
Hi, ma'am.
And Jigyasa is a student at IIT Bombay. She's studying computer science and she's a girl from Noida. So Jigyasa, I want to know from you, how has life been for you at IIT Bombay? Has it been like how you expected it to be?
I mean, when you go into IIT Bombay after like 2 years of such preparation, you build up so many expectations from the college you're going to finally study in. And I think most of them have pretty much been exceeded only. It has been a great experience. Apart from the academics, even the extracurriculars, like life has opened up so much for me. All the aspects of life which we pretty much forget in JEE has now become prominent.
While you were studying, preparing to get into your dream college, I think the expectation was that everybody will be very studious in IIT Bombay, right? And it turns out that that is not so, huh?
IITs have such a reputation in themselves, or ऊपर से IIT Bombay, you'll definitely think you'll find a bunch of notes there. But it is honestly really chill. I mean, पढ़ाई से ज़्यादा you'll find people like just dancing, sports, and so many competitions, and that college never sleeps.
So you're in your first year now, and I think first year is the year that बहुत सारा कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, कॉलेज का कल्चर महसूस होता है ना? तो हमें थोड़ा बताओ, this thing about your college lingo, what Insti lingo? So tell us some words that you picked up.
So first of all, I'd like to clear up कि IIT आके लोग काफी आलसी हो जाते हैं, because nobody will ever speak the full word. Institute becomes Insti. Hostels में there are these wings, like each floor has 18 rooms, so there are 3 wings of 6 rooms each. So one 6 room is called a wing. So the 12 people living in those 6 rooms, they're called wingies.
Wingies, okay.
We call them wingies. So our wingies is a family, a little family at IIT Bombay. And then there are first year students are called freshies, with the analogy of freshmen in the high school, the American high school. And then sophomore year, the second year, is called, the students are called sophies, and then there's thirdies and fourthies.
So freshies and sophies, huh?
Yes.
Okay, so I think in Delhi, freshers are called fachas.
Yep.
So I think that is the difference there,
Yeah,
right?
that faches, I've heard from my friends, is a mixture of freshers plus bache, because we're still kids.
Correct. So in Bombay, otherwise, what else have you explored? Do you get to go out?
I mean, there is no restriction as such. You can go out, come in anytime you want. So we go out quite often. We've explored most parts near IIT Bombay. जो दूर की जगह है, we've gone relatively less. Marine Drive, we have checked off the list.
How can you miss that, huh?
Of course, even though it's pretty far, but obviously it's worth going there. And apart from that, at the end of our semester, we went to Imagica because we had to celebrate. And yeah, we've covered a small part. We've left some for the next 4 years.
हाँ, कुछ तो बचना चाहिए ना, सब अभी खत्म कर देंगे तो कैसे?
बहुत टाइम है.
तो अपने क्लास में आपके कंप्यूटर साइंस बैच में टोटल ऑफ 180 ऑड स्टूडेंट्स. 185, ठीक है. उसमें गर्ल्स कितनी हैं?
We're 38 girls.
38 and the rest 150 odd are boys.
Yep.
Okay, so how does it feel to be outnumbered like that?
I mean, even in coaching, JEE coaching, most of the times we'll find girls to boys ratios is really less. And the same just carries on to engineering colleges as well. It's pretty weird sometimes because you're always around this male energy, and I mean, girls like to interact with girls, definitely. So sometimes it's sad, but the good part is it is increasing, and at least there's been attention on the less sex ratio.
Yay, more girl power.
Yes, so it's really nice to meet girls though, because of the scarcity of girls. Every single girl you meet, you value them more because
you bond like instantly. I think, no, hey, you're a girl, I like you already.
Yes.
Does that happen?
That's true.
Great. So now moving on, let's talk some more about the fun part at IIT Bombay. So festival hota hai IIT Bombay mein.
Yeah.
Tell us more about that.
I mean, I think everybody who prepares for JEE must know IIT Bombay ka fest, Mood Indigo Cultural Fest. It's Asia's largest indeed. So obviously I've heard a lot of stories from our seniors themselves ki Mudai is really amazing. Sadly I cannot go this year because of some reasons, but I'm really looking forward to it. I've seen a lot of, there are so many celebrities who are coming, and there are so many concerts and just club competitions being organized, and
Wow.
it's a lot of fun. And I mean, the Insti, when it's decorated and there are these functions, even the smaller ones which were there throughout the semester, it was so much fun. So I wonder how Mudai would be.
So did the interaction happen with your seniors?
Actually, to my surprise, not really surprise, but I thought at least there would be a normal environment, but due to the strict anti-ragging policies of the government, IITs, at least IIT Bombay, has specifically forbidden junior-senior interaction for the first 2 months of our...
Do you sound a little disappointed there? So it was an interaction, but it was all within
Yes.
okay.
You cannot officially meet a senior outside like the academic area of the college.
Oh, okay. So Jigyasa, hostel life for you at IIT. थोड़ा बताओ कैसा लग रहा है, मतलब is it as you had expected it to be?
Honestly, लोग usually hostels को इतना बदनाम करके रखते हैं ना. I expected really, really bad hostels.
So you prepared.
In comparison to that, I've probably exceeded they probably exceeded my expectations. Hostels are pretty nice, and like I told you, there are like 6 rooms per wing. So our wing is a little family of our own. So it's really nice.
Wingies, you call the hostels.
Yes. So we really, they're all really friendly, and we live in a double shared rooms. So everybody has one roommate.
तुम्हारे roommate के साथ equation कैसा है? That is very, very critical now for enjoying hostel life.
Oh, right. And that brings me to the fact that my roommate herself is an Akashian who studied in the same batch as me.
Oh, how lucky are you then?
Whole of 11th and 12th. Everybody we tell in the Insti कि हम दोनों like same coaching, same batch से, and we're all like क्या किस्मत है तुम लोग की.
Wow, that's amazing, amazing. ठीक है, so Jigyasa, when you go back, I think your second semester will start soon, right?
Yes.
So what are some of the things that you're looking forward to there now?
College में तो first of all academics is a lot different from how we studied अब तक. First sem में we had a set of courses, and now second sem में we'll have a completely different set of courses. So we know the courses beforehand, so I'm pretty excited for some courses, specifically the CS courses, because I'm getting interested a lot. Plus, apart from that, extracurriculars, वैसे तो हमेशा ही चलता रहता है IIT Bombay में, but there are a lot of things lined up. I've heard there's this traditional day called Trad Day, because again we're lazy.
Trad Day, okay.
So,
Another one for you all.
So next sem में Trad Day है CS department का, and we all basically just dress up in traditionals, and there like some performances वगैरह वगैरह. So that's really cool. And apart from that, there are GCs go around all the year. I'm pretty sure most people have watched Chichore. तो वो पूरी movie GCs पे based है. That is real indeed.
GCs would be?
GCs are general championships.
Okay, so these are general contests and competition that keep happening.
They're contests between the hostels. They're in all categories basically, from dance to sports, everything. So they're also pretty fun. So, and everybody just goes and cheers for their hostel. You'll hear a lot of like Hostel 3 versus Hostel 4 rivalry stories.
That is what they show in the movie Chichore also.
Exactly. So that's real.
That's real. Okay. So thank you so much, Jigyasa. It was really, really wonderful talking to you, and I wish we could go on and on because questions are endless. I'm sure we'll get more opportunities to interact with you like this, and it was wonderful having you here today.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.